So you've been doing business as a sole proprietorship, but you're ready to make the jump into an LLC. Today we're going to break down how you do it and lay out easy steps to help you accomplish this goal. Check it out. What's up, y'all? My name is Saluto Uba, and I'm the founder of the Uba Law Group. We're a law firm that helps companies protect their business, brand, and bank. And today we're going to talk about how you can move from a sole proprietorship to an LLC. Now, the first thing I want to ask you to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share this video with anybody you know that could use it. Now, let's get right into it. If you're a sole proprietorship and you're thinking about jumping into an LLC, one of the most important things that you need to understand is that just having an LLC by itself doesn't mean that you now have a business or you're now legit or official. There are a lot of people that have sole proprietorships that have good businesses and are having a great product, they're serving a good amount of people. But when we are thinking about making the move to an LLC, one of the things that we want to do is protect our personal assets. So that's the big thing. The whole purpose of an LLC is to put a wall of protection in between your personal assets and the business. So if, God forbid, something happens with the business and someone's sued or there's legal action, your personal assets will remain protected. So that's the major point of an LLC. So if you're operating as a sole proprietorship and you're trying to figure out how to make that transition, it's actually relatively straightforward. You would file for your LLC, you'd go file for your certificate of formation or articles of formation, whatever your state calls it. You go to your Secretary of State, and then after you've filed for your LLC, you'd make sure that your LLC is properly documented with your internal documents, such as an operating agreement, your consents, your resolutions, and then you'd also make sure that you're having your corporate formalities. These are the two main elements that I preach about all the time that give you not just a paper LLC, but a performing LLC. This is how you have that peace of mind and that confidence that your business is actually set up to protect you. So you have the legal setup for your business, you have the legal backdrop for your company to transition from a sole proprietorship into an LLC. Now, from a practical level, you're gonna have to take a few steps to actually operate in that LLC. So what does this mean? This means that if you had contracts as a sole proprietorship or if you had business relationships as a sole proprietorship, you're going to need to tell those people that, hey, we formed an LLC and we're actually operating from the business entity now. What you're also going to want to do is make sure that any contracts that you have are signed in the name of the LLC and not in your personal name. I can't tell you guys enough. There's so many people that have a fully fledged business set up, but they're not entering into contracts in the name of their business. And so they are personally on the hook because they're signing contracts in their personal name, or they're doing deals in their personal name, buying property in their personal name. If you sign up, if you operate in your personal name, your LLC cannot protect you. So when you set up a business, when you move from a sole prop into an LLC, you must enter into business agreements under the name of the LLC. Next, you're obviously going to want to set up a business bank account. A business bank account is another surefire sign that your business is actually operating and functioning like a legitimate business. And on the contrary, if you say you have an LLC, but you're using your personal bank account to do all of your business transactions, that is a big red flag, and that is a surefire way to lose your LLC protection. Next, we want to talk about your EIN. Your EIN is your employer identification number, and it's pretty much the social security number of your business. So if you operated as a sole proprietorship before and you had an EIN for your sole proprietorship business, you need to form a new EIN for your newly formed LLC. You can't transfer the other one over. You can't combine the two. You can't merge it. Your new LLC will need its own EIN, and you need to form that separately. So you form an EIN by going to the IRS and registering it with the IRS. They're going to require a few different pieces of information. You're going to have to describe what's happening. In this instance, you started a business and you're going to create the EIN to be associated with that business. And now lastly, what you're going to want to do is start marketing and advertising your business under the name of the LLC. Or even better, you might want to form a DBA so you can give your company an even more marketable name that you can use on advertisements and promotions and business cards and all that good stuff. Your marketing of your LLC is going to be required now because you're no longer a sole proprietorship, you're the business. And so you want to communicate to the entire world that, hey, we're a business and we're out here as this business and I formed this LLC and I'm legit using it. No more sole proprietorship. We got to move out of that mentality and move into our new world where we have that business protection and we're a separate entity from just when we were sole proprietorship. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna give you today. That's kind of the quick and dirty version of it. If you have more questions, if you're thinking about moving from a sole prop into an LLC, if you have anything related to business that you're looking for guidance on, we'd be more than happy to help you. We do this every single day for business owners just like you. So hit that link in the description and we'd be more than happy to connect with you, get on a discovery call, and create a game plan to help you accomplish your goals. So until next time, keep on grinding, keep on hustling. I believe in y'all. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.